In today's video, I'll show you how you can download DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So it's simple. Just simply go into your browser and you want to go into this website, blackmagicdesign.com. And then you will now be taken into the website of DaVinci Resolve. And basically in here, you can see DaVinci Resolve and so on. And what you want to do is that you would want to go here into support. And now from here is that you want to go into latest downloads. So you'd be able to see the Black Magic or the DaVinci Resolve right here. So we have DaVinci Resolve, which is the first one right here. So this is the latest one right here because we don't see any DaVinci Resolves right here, right? This is the first one. So this is the latest version that is currently at this time. So you can now download based on your operating system, macOS, Linux, Windows 86, or Windows ARM. And you can also go for DaVinci Resolve Studio. So this is the paid version if you would want all the features in DaVinci. So you could go again for your operating system, macOS, Linux, Windows 86, or Windows ARM, depending on what you'd want. So for example, I just want to go into Windows 86. I'm going to click on that. And then as you can see, all we have to do now is provide our details. And now once you have provided your details, you will now be able to see this thank you page. And now from here, you can click here on this button, wherein you can now download the file. And as you can see right here, it is now successfully downloading. So all that's left is for it to finish and then run it so that you'd be able to install that into your device. So that is basically it on how you could do this on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.